Hi, I'm Charles Barron, co-founder of Farmers Business Network. Farmers Business Network is a community of farmers and data. So we build tools and systems to integrate all different types of precision data and data from other sources like weather and soils to help analyze it and make sense out of it for your farm. Secondly, we network farms together. We have over 1,000 farms in the United States, nearly 4 million acres and 17 million acres of data that has been added by our members. What that does is that allows us to build out aggregated intelligence tools on everything from seeds and seed performance, ideal seed populations by variety, and then how practices are affecting yields not only within your farm, but then across your region. So how is rotation affecting yield on your operation? How is rotation affecting yield in your area? FBN is really a revolutionary system. It's all for farmers and by farmers, created by the farmers who participate in FBN. And we work with all types of precision data from any make and model of equipment. So planting, fertilizer, chemical, yield. Doesn't matter if you're Deere, Trimble, Ag Leader, any type of system, precision planting, it all can be integrated into FBN. So you get all your data into one place, analyzed, and then we help make sense out of it to help you make better decisions on your farm. Yeah, so FBN is a network of farmers and their trusted advisors. They're agronomists or other people who are their business partners. FBN is it's a flat membership organization, so it's $500 for any size operation. We have farms that are a couple hundred acres and farms that are many tens of thousands of acres. It doesn't matter. We do all the data cleaning and storage and processing for our operations. We have a lot of agronomists on our system who work with their clients. We have groups who do precision services or service providers in the precision world who help farmers work with the data. We integrate with MyJD Link, so that data can stream in seamlessly, but we work with any type of equipment. So the goal of FBN is to make sense out of data no matter what you're doing or what you're using, and even farmers who are non-precision. So we have a lot of farmers who do not use precision equipment. They've fixed rate their seed, but they have records, they have data, and they want to understand their performance. We work with those farmers. We'll help them get the data in. The important thing is that any farm, any size operation has transparent real-world performance information and can make sense out of data. Absolutely. So, again, we work with any type, any model of equipment, and even historical data. So we can go back many years and analyze files from 5-10 years ago on Deere or other makes. Now, what we're able to do is start analyzing how effective the equipment actually was at doing things like executing the prescription. So a lot of our farmers do variable rate seeding or variable rate application. We can start breaking that out inside of each of their fields and start looking at, number one, was my prescription effective? Number two, could my equipment execute my prescription? And number three, what is affecting my ability to actually implement my prescription? Were I driving too quickly? Did I push population too hard? Was it my terrain? So all of those factors are extremely important for growers in understanding how they can actually optimize their performance. They've made enormous investments in the equipment. Now, how do I get the most out of it? And that's what FBN does. Well, it's the growers' information, and our network is a network of growers and their advisors. But ultimately, our aim is whatever questions and solutions are going to help growers are things we will help facilitate. So, our growers are wanting, obviously, to save time on planting, so there's a whole lot of interest in high-speed planters. They're really wanting to evaluate, are these planters actually working, and can I make them work in my operation? Are they paying off, at that level? So what I'd say is we're very open to all kinds of different discussions, but fundamentally it's the growers' data, it's the growers' system, and if we can help them make sense out of the information and then also get the best products for their operation and then get the most out of their products, we're going to always help them do that. Yeah, I think that's really fundamental. It's hugely important. Growers around the country, different regions, different crops have said, look, I'm comfortable sharing my information, and I'm comfortable using my information to not only help other growers, but understand my own farm. But what's really important is that be a totally neutral, independent third party. And that's what FBN is. It's a completely objective, completely unbiased system. We don't sell equipment, we don't sell inputs or other things. We analyze information and then enable farmers to take advantage of that. So we are, you could think of it kind of like consumer reports. That's really our goal. Farmers want to know the truth about how seeds are actually performing, how they're performing on their own farm, how they compare to other farms. And really what FBN does is it makes sense of all the information that they're already generating. So it unlocks this enormous potential of the information by being able to integrate it and network it. So, for equipment, it's really all about getting the full value of the equipment that they've already bought. And now being an independent broker and being a totally neutral party is hugely important for farmers. So they really have a trusted source that they can go to and know that this is buy-in for other real farmers who are participating and sharing data.